Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. We see some promising price action today, which is in line with the scenarios we talked about yesterday, because in both of these, the price would ideally go higher, right? If you watched yesterday's video, then you know that we have a good reaction, finally, to our Fibonacci support zone there, located between $2.80 and $2.95. Price action is very slow at the moment, but we start to see some upside momentum here. We want to talk about the next resistance levels and where things could be going today. So today, quick info, we have got the jobless claims today at around 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I posted that earlier today on X. Feel free to follow us here also for news and updates and outlooks and much more. You'll find the link in the description and in our comment section. That's coming in, so there could be some additional volatility. What I want to focus here on is the shorter time frame. In yesterday's video, I covered the larger time frame as well. So in this video, I really don't want to spend much time on that or no time, because we covered it yesterday. Looking at the shorter time frame, I mean, quick reminder, we have a three-wave move down into Fibonacci support, the critical $2.75 level, right? And then over the last few days, we witnessed the development of a five-wave move up as a response to that 275 level. And with a five-wave move up, we typically expect price to go higher, possibly after a corrective pullback. That's classic Elliott wave logic. So we have a five-wave move up here, in potentially yellow wave one. That's the wave one of a larger five-wave move, or of the A wave of a three-wave move. But then with that logic, based on that, we were tracking a corrective pullback, which really remained a three-wave move down. So after a three-wave move down, then we are watching for reaction to support. In this case, support was located between $2.80 and $2.95. And you see the market reacted exactly to the 50% retracement level. So, I mean, as long as that swing low from Wednesday is holding, which formed, $2.91, around that 50% retracement, the overall focus could be on higher prices. That would be higher prices in either wave C, in the white scenario, that would be wave C of B, in which case we could reach the 100% Fibonacci extension level. That's at least the first ideal target. So watch this place, this area, this space around 330, because that's an ideal target there. Maybe a little higher. You know, there are other targets as well, like the 123.6 Fibonacci extension or the 138% extension at 340 and 347. But yeah, basically there's a zone to watch just above us. That could lead to a rejection. Okay, that's the white scenario. In the white count, we're also watching for higher, because any five-wave move up indicates typically higher prices, especially if it's followed by a corrective pullback, right? So 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and then further 5-wave move to the upside, an ABC structure. It could also be this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and we're now tracking a third wave to the upside. The support zone was shared by both. Okay, now that means we could be indeed in a full breakout. Obviously, there's a lot more work to do to confirm that. In the first step, we want to break above that last swing high there at $3.10. Then, in case you watched the video a little later, and that happened already, the next levels are $3.17, and then there's a swing high at $3.33. Now, here's where it's getting interesting, because it's not only that previous swing high that's located there, but also the 100% extension level. So we have a couple of levels there that overlap, a couple of levels there that are meaningful, and actually a bit of confluence of resistance and upside targets, right? So this is definitely something to watch. There's a lot of resistance up there, I'd say. There's also a key level around $3.40 that is worth watching for. Now, what certainly shouldn't happen now in any directly bullish scenario is a 5-wave move down. We don't want to see a 5-wave move down. Now, of course, the support area could be tested again. That's why it's on the chart. You know, we can really start to remove it only here, this one, when we break out above the wave 1 high at $3.10. Until then, of course, the market could maybe do this, you know. That's possible. The assumption that a wave 4 or an A wave bottomed on the 2nd of August can remain valid It's a plausible scenario as long as we're holding above $2.80. So it's just something to watch there. For now, though, there's no sign that we have a local top. So until the market gives me a different signal, I'm watching for a break above $3.10 and then $3.18 next. And overall, yeah, a lot will likely be decided in this zone above between $3.30 and $3.47, you could say. That's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our Gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.